We looking for gold or we looking for a pipe? This is my gas pipe dilemma. You can see the meter's all jacked up. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, where is Andy's pipe today? Oh, where is that pipe at today? Oh, where is that pipe at? Holy sheep shit. And then we got to get into the undermine of the sidewalk. She's coming because see that old wrap? I think that wrap was there back in the day like a flag. That's what tells you National Fuel probably did this. Right?
Yeah.
Because it wouldn't necessarily be red still, or yellow, or green.
Right. That's like rock. That's like people. Alright, chop her up.
As much as I stirred that up, you wouldn't think it'd be that hard.
Yeah, I know.
What the hell? That's why I switched over shovels. We'll break the other one. It's not made for that heavy poop. Once you get a little depth right there in front of where you're at, then I can actually do my thing again.
Pipe there.
Yeah, see the chunks coming off?
Yeah.
Right there? Yeah, right there's a pipe chunk right there. Yeah, I did that. It should be right under me. Right under here. That's where it's at. And there's plastic wrapped around it, dude. You can feel it. And clay. Right now I'm going on each side of it. Okay. Yep. We'll start getting exposure here now. Build it right there. There we go. Oh my God. Ooh. We're every bit at 2 feet right now. The gas line gets deeper as it goes to the house. It's probably only 16 inches or over, and then it keeps getting deeper. It's making us work, I'll tell you that. We didn't want to get a piece of equipment in here really as we can't. We're gonna undermine the sidewalk a little bit.